Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here with a Lenormand deck, Romantic Lenormand by Anna Oginski. Now it is 37 oracles, so you've got the book and the 37 oracle cards. We'll have a look at that in a second. And the everlasting beauty and charm of the Lenormand tradition meets the floral patterns of the Art Nouveau style to produce an oracle of the utmost elegance and finesse. Okay, you have the little book here in various languages. So then we have the English at the beginning, each of the cards, and what have we got here? How to use the deck. So the 2 card spread. So you've got there, so you have got some reading samples, and then you've got, it talks a bit about combinations, I would hope. Yeah. Okay. So there they all are. The book and the cards. The backs of them are the flowers, the rider. So these are the larger cards, you know, because you can have either the smaller or the larger Lenormand. And a lot of us like texture-wise, very matte, nice good quality, like very good quality. Okay, the rider, the clover. So you've got the dark there and the light there, so we still have that. Crumbs. So we've got 2 birds, and that's not an uncommon concept. Actually, you can choose which you prefer, the squawking or the silent. Loyal dog. Second, 18. The fountain of all knowledge with the pomegranate. I think Lenormand is all about the visuals, don't you? And you'll feel drawn to a deck that you feel drawn to. I like the Thelema. I love the Gilded Reverie. But my favourite is the Dreaming Way Lenormand at the moment. So there you go. That is the Romantic Lenormand by Anna Oginski. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for much for your time. Bye-bye.